Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel. And I think I have to tag this video as NSFW because it seems like there's a whole lot of mating going on. Or at least that's what Ben and I think it is. Ben thinks I'm overly obsessed, but these two swallows or some sort of birds, they just kept going and going. One just kept flapping it. Well, you'll see it. One kept flapping after the other one, but we're out just hiking around in beautiful country here, kind of looking into the sun. Hopefully it'll catch it. I never saw anything like it. Just those two keep flying at each other like that. Look at him. He just keeps bugging at her one. Oh, there they go. Oh. Isn't that amazing?
Is that a...
I swear they're going to mate some way.
Is that a swallow?
I have no idea. This might be NSFW, I don't know. Oh, my arms, I can't hold it any longer.
The one kind of looks like it's got, you know, those little wispy wingtips. Like
Here, you want to hold it?
No,
My arm's breaking. I've never seen anything like that. Yeah, the one's calling to the other one. I guess he give up. Oh well. Every guy knows the feeling. See, they're calling. We got a little bit of sun come out. Let's see if this can get some close-ups. Actually, have a few nice birds that came and landed in this tree, so put the 400 on them, and it's got some nice light, so hopefully I got a few of the shots I can cut in. There he is. Isn't he a pretty one? Look at that. Doing better on video. Me and my arms are shaking like nuts. Trying to hold it so steady and way up. There he goes. It's kind of creative, you know, going along the fence. Leaf there with the sun. That's pretty cool. See it right there? It's like that vine, and that leaf has the sun just backlighting it. Ben's getting some of these. I think these are honeysuckle.
I think so.
If you zoom in close, almost has like a dew on them, like. Pretty nice. I think they're honeysuckle. I could be wrong. Zoomed in. That's the 100-400 Canon lens. Low light there. Insulators. It brings them right in. Freehand. We thought this was pretty cool when it was lit up with the sun. The sun makes everything pop, but you've got these yellow flowers with the barbed wire. And we thought that was kind of neat looking. There's always beauty in the decay, I think. There's, I don't know, something that's kind of bittersweet or sad, you know, something that was fully functional at one time. It's just been reduced to a bunch of rubble and discarded.
That was a spawn over there.
Oh yeah, look at that little bugger. Little red-winged blackbird there in the tree. Putting out his call. I want to show him this is pretty cool. Got this plant in the grass growing right in the middle of this old, what was it, 6x8 or something. Old like railroad tie almost. Fence post. Big. And you can see it's not even in the ground. So that's the power of life. Thought I'd walk down here, see if how this looks. It usually is nice reflections. Nice scene. Got that golden hour. There are ducks flying. Farm across the way. You know, we always just like getting our little exercise and getting a little bit of content to share with you guys. That's what really makes it worthwhile to me, is to know, you know, there's a couple people out there that'll go through and watch some of my silly videos and shared experiences. And it means the world to me, honestly.